Lead us to a place. Try this video go to essential violence the deep just esperanza. I estás have.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good
Hello, teacher.
morning, Hong. How are you today, Hong?
I'm good. And you?
I am so good too. Because
Why do you good?
You say, why do you feel good? Again, one more time. Why do you feel good?
Why do you feel good?
Because I ate breakfast early in the morning. How about you? Why do you feel good?
Because I ate breakfast animal.
What? Huh? You ate breakfast already?
Yes.
Okay, I see, honey. What did you eat for breakfast?
Chicken.
You ate chicken and what else? What else did you eat?
And rice.
And rice. I see. Okay. Anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen and we're going to have a new book that's way easier and that fits your level, okay? Okay, honey?
Okay.
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 All right. Now, let's move forward to the book.
Beep, beep, beep.
Dang, da, da, da. Can you see teacher's screen now, huh?
Yes.
Yay! And now let's have the first part of the book. Let's have this one, honey. When is your birthday, Hong? When
My
is your birthday?
birthday is August.
Yes, really? Okay, you say, my birthday? Oh,
My birthday is August.
very good. Is on August. What day is it, honey? What day is it? Me.
Sunday.
Honey, me. My teacher, okay, for teacher. My birthday
My
is
birthday
on August
is on
29.
August 29.
Okay, that's for teacher. How about for Hong?
Um,
How about for Hong? What day is it?
I don't know which hung.
Okay.
Sinh nhật của bạn vào ngày nào?
My birthday is half in
Is it 29, 18, 16?
11, 1, 8, 1, 8.
18.
Yes.
Okay, again, one more time. When is your birthday, Hong?
My birthday is 1/8.
Honey, 18.
18.
Okay, that one is 18. My birthday is on August 18. One more time.
My birthday is August 20.
Honey,
My
18.
birthday is 18.
18.
18.
My birthday is on August 18, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's have the next question. Have you seen a real rocket? Again, one more time. Have you seen a real rocket?
Bạn đã từng nhìn thấy một tên lửa thật chưa?
Yes.
Why? Okay, you say, yes, I have seen
See a
a
bright
real
rocket.
rocket. Where, honey? Where have you seen it?
Very big.
That's
Very
very
big.
good. Oh, where have you seen it? Where?
Is I see have in my house and we should.
You've seen it in your house?
Yes.
Wow, that's so amazing that you've seen that one from your house. Okay, you say, yes, I have seen a real rocket in my house.
Yes, I have seen a rocket in my house.
Very good. Okay, now let's move forward to the next one, Hong. Do you like to learn about the universe? One more time, teacher's going to translate it. Do you like to learn about the universe?
Bạn có thích tìm hiểu về vũ trụ không?
Yes. I see
Okay, one more time. Yes, I want to learn.
movie and I see when the moon have this. Watching the movie have the moon, the moon. The moon have this.
Really? It has mouth and eyes?
Yes, and the sun and the moon.
Huh?
The moon have this.
Really? Is it true? That's scary. That is scary, honey. Okay,
But
anyway,
I don't scare.
you don't feel scared about it? Really? I think it's scary though. Okay, anyway, honey, again, one more time. Have you seen a real rocket? Yes.
Yes, I want to
No, no, no,
plan up the.
Okay, yes, I want to learn.
Yes, I like to learn up the universe like the moon.
Universe. Okay, honey, universe.
Universe.
Very good. Again, one more time. You me verse. Yeah, one more time.
Universe.
Honey, verse.
Verse.
Universe.
Universe. It's
Vũ trụ.
Universe.
vũ. It's vũ trụ. Universe.
Vũ trụ.
Yes.
Universe.
Okay. Yeah, that is it. Universe. Yes. I want to learn about the universe. Okay, now, honey, you
I
have
like
to find.
Universe.
Yeah, you want to go to the universe?
Yes.
You want to go? You mean to say you want to go to the space?
Yes.
Well, why? Why do you want to go to the space, Hong? Why do you want to go there?
Because I can play with them, and I have one cousin in this.
In the space? You have a cousin in space? Like an alien?
Yes.
Oh no! Have you seen an alien, huh? Do you know what
I
is an
see.
alien? Huh?
Yes.
You've seen
I
an alien?
see.
Oh
Yes.
no! But that's so scary.
But I can take picture with my dad.
With your
With
with
the
your camera?
alien.
Oh, okay. But that's very scary.
Wow.
That is very
I like
scary.
it.
Oh my goodness. Is that an alien?
Yeah.
I don't think that's an alien.
Ngô ba lên is to ina di the kidi costa habalaco the sto white chicken no pines
Okay. Okay, so those are the differences, honey. Okay, now. All right.
like this and like this and honey every stop ina di
Na,
the
na,
kidi
na, 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 na.
done.
Done. Okay, okay. Let's start first with this
Wow.
and this one. This one is picture 1 and this one is picture 2. Okay, honey.
The tree is under.
Yes, yes, yes. In picture 1,
The tree is under.
how many trees do you see?
The tree are under.
Yes, the trees
Are under.
are under the
Under the
mound, under the hills. Under
hill.
the hills. But in picture 2,
The hill. In picture 2, the tree are under the hill.
no, picture 2, is it under or on? Is it under or on?
Is on.
On, very good. The trees are on the where?
On the hill.
Hills. Yay, very good, huh? Okay, next one. Look at this. Look at the color of the car.
In picture 1, the car has the color is blue, but in picture 2, the car has a color yellow.
Okay, honey, it's okay if you're not going to add the word color. You're just going to say in picture 1, the car is blue. Okay?
In picture 1, the car is blue.
But in picture 2,
in picture 2, the
car is
the
yeah.
the car is yellow.
Very good. The car is yellow. Great job. Look, oh, honey, look at the box. Look at the box.
In picture 1, the car has a box, but in picture 2, the car doesn't have a box.
Okay, in picture 1, the car has a box on top.
In picture 1, the car has a box, but in picture 2, the car doesn't have anything.
Doesn't have. Your answer is good, honey. Doesn't have anything. Okay, next. What else? Here.
In picture 1, there are two people. Two astronauts go to the moon.
Two, honey?
Go
Two?
to the moon.
Two people?
No, 3.
Three. Very good. You say, in picture 1, there are three
People
astronauts.
go to the moon.
Astronauts going to the rocket.
But
Rocket ship.
in picture 2, there are 4 people go to the rocket.
Okay, there are 4 people going to the rocket ship.
The rocket.
Very good. Okay, that is it, honey. Next one, let's have the other one. Here, look at the rabbits.
In picture 1, the rabbit is under the
Is the rabbits? How
Is-
many rabbits do you see?
they are
Behind, honey. In picture 1, the
behind
rabbits are behind the rock.
the rock.
But in picture
But
2,
in picture 2, the rabbits are on the rock.
very good. The rabbits are on the rock. Great job, Hong. You are really doing great, Hong. Very good. Okay, next. How about the next one? What else? Okay, here. Okay,
in
Hong.
picture 1, the baby is holding a rock. But in picture 2, the baby is holding a cotton.
Flag. Flag, honey.
Flag.
Flag. Very good, Hong. Okay, next one. Here.
In picture 1, the man is short, but in picture 2, the man is tall.
Okay. The man is tall. Great job. Next one. How about this? And this. Okay, let's go. In picture 1, the girl has.
In picture 1, the
woman.
has.
Honey, the woman has.
The woman has clean hair.
Straight hair.
But in picture 2, the woman has ugly hair.
Honey, that's not ugly hair. Honey, that is curly, not ugly, you silly boy. Okay, but in picture 2, the woman has curly hair. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next one. Let's have the other one, honey. Here.
Here. In picture 1, the children are wearing red t-shirt, but in picture 2, children are wearing a green shirt.
Okay, in picture 2, the children are wearing green t-shirt. Okay, very good, honey. Next one. Let's have the other one. Here. Yes, that one, honey. Very good, Hong. Wait for a while, Hong, no. I will just, Let's have this one first so you won't get confused, okay? So that you won't get confused. Okay, let's have this one. In picture 1, the children are
The children are
wearing
wearing
wearing shorts.
short.
But in picture 2,
But in picture 2, the children are
wearing skirts.
wearing a skirt.
Skirt. Okay, this one, honey, is skirt. This one is short. Okay? Okay, very
Okay.
good, hon. Great job, honey. Okay, next one. How about this? And this.
In picture 1, the man is take the picture
Is facing the,
facing
is
the
it left side or right side?
left,
Huh? Are you sure?
right.
Right. Okay, one more time. In picture 1, the man is facing the right side, but in picture 2,
But in picture 2, the man is
facing, honey, facing the left.
facing the left side.
Very good. Okay, another one. This and this. Okay.
In picture 1, the men are wearing t-shirt,
honey,
blue
striped blue
t-shirt.
shirts. But in picture 2,
But in picture 2, the
men are
in picture 2, the men are wearing white
plain.
t-shirt,
Okay.
black t-shirt.
Plain white shirts. Okay? Okay. Now let's read your answers, Hong. You did so great for this part, honey. I am so proud. I am so proud of you.
But in picture 2, the
Wait.
trees are on the hill.
Okay. All right. Okay, again. In picture 1,
In picture 2, in picture 1, the trees are under the hill, but in picture 2, the trees are on the hill.
next one. In picture 1,
In picture 1,
The car
the car
is-
is blue, but in picture 2, the car is yellow.
very good. Next one.
In picture 1, there are trees and donuts, but go to the rock shape. But in
Honey,
picture
wait.
2,
Wait for a while. Hold on, Hong. Are you reading this?
Yes.
Okay. Honey, this one? Are you reading this one? Yeah. Please read that
The
one.
car has butt up on top, but in picture,
picture- Okay.
the car doesn't have anything on.
Okay, next one. This one, honey. This one. In picture 1,
In picture 1, the there are two astronauts go to the round ship, but in picture 2, there are two four people go to the ship.
Okay. Okay, next one.
Nee, 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 nee.
Okay, next one, Hung. This one.
Every child, every child one day the rabbit are before the rock, but every child two the rabbit are on the rock.
Okay, wait for a while, honey. Okay, hold on. Wait. Okay, hold on for a while. Okay, next one, honey. Let's have the next one. Here, in picture one, the baby is?
In picture one, the baby is. In picture one, the baby is holding a dog, but in picture two, the baby is holding a fan.
Very good. Next one. In picture one. This one.
In picture one,
The man
in
is?
picture one, the man is short, but in picture two, the man is tall.
Very good. Okay. Next one. Next one here.
In picture one, the woman has a short hair, but in picture two, the woman has curly hair.
Okay, very good. Next.
In picture one, the children wearing red t-shirt, but in picture two, the children are wearing red
Green.
wearing green t-shirt.
Very good. Next one, Hung. In picture one.
In picture one, the children are wearing sharp, but in picture two, the children are wearing
Skirts.
skirt.
Okay, next one.
In picture one, in picture one, in picture one, the man are wearing. In picture one, the man is wearing the red shirt, but in picture two, the man is wearing the blue shirt.
Very good. Okay. Okay, next one. The last one, honey.
In picture one, the men are
The men.
wearing shirt,
But in picture two?
but in picture two, the men are wearing sandwich shirt.
Very good. Okay, wearing plain. Honey, you read. Okay, wait for a while. This one. You read this one as striped. Striped.
Right.
Very good.
Striped.
Okay, that one is striped. Okay, here. I'm going to show you, okay? Striped.
Sọc.
Okay, here. Striped shirt. This is what a striped shirt looks like, honey. I am going to show you. Here. My dear, look. This is what a striped shirt looks like, okay? Striped shirts. Okay, huh? Yeah. These are,
I have this
striped.
in my house.
Really? Striped shirts.
áo sơ mi sọc.
Yeah. Do you wear this? Do you wear striped shirts? Honey?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, let's move forward to the last one, honey. You did so well, Hong, for this part, and I am so happy for your progress, honey. Great job. Now let's move forward to the next one, Hong. Hong, let's have this one. Please read this one, honey.
Willie and Henry are friends. They both so go swimming. I don't have already witnessed swimming next to what you do, so I am going to ask you some questions.
Okay. They both go to swimming lessons. I don't know anything about William. Hold on, honey, okay? William's swimming lesson. What you do. What you do. So, I am going to ask you some questions about him. Okay, listen to this one, honey. Listen to this one. Here.
William và Emma, cả hai đều đi học bơi. Tớ không biết gì về lớp học bơi của William, nhưng cậu thì biết. Vì vậy, tớ sẽ hỏi cậu một vài câu hỏi về cậu ấy.
Okay? Now, let's have this one, honey. Okay, question number 1. What's William's teacher's name? Okay. What is the name of William's teacher?
Giáo viên của William tên là gì?
It's look, honey, look. Hung. Look at the screen.
Oh,
It's
Vicky.
yeah. Yes, very good. It's Vicky. Say it in complete sentence.
Hãy giữ nguyên câu đó.
William's teacher's name.
The teacher name we have is Vicky.
Yes, very good.
Saturday time set 30 minutes.
Huh?
Start by yes.
Huh? Okay, next one, honey. What day does he have lessons? One more time. What day does he have lessons?
Anh ấy có tiết học vào ngày nào?
It's Saturday.
Very good. So you say William has lessons.
It's Saturday.
On Saturday. One more time. William has lessons on Saturday. Can you read this one, honey, please?
Radio
Has lessons.
Have lesson on Saturday.
Very good. Next question. Let's have the next question, my dear. Listen carefully to this one. Okay, question number 3. What time do the lessons start?
Buổi học bắt đầu lúc mấy giờ?
It's 50.
Huh? The lesson starts at 9:30. One more time. The lesson starts.
The lesson starts
at 9:30.
At 9:30.
Very good. Okay, question number 4. Let's have question number 4. Let's go here. Question number 4. Are the lessons interesting or boring?
Các bài học thú vị hay nhàm chán?
It's boring.
Okay, you say the lessons are
Lessons are boring.
very good. The lessons are boring. Now, question number 5. Let's have question number 5. Is the water cold?
Nước có lạnh không?
No.
Huh?
I know. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
When
the
I
water.
I see it's very.
It's very cold. Do you like it when it's cold? Hung? Do you like it when it's cold?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you like when the water is warm or cold? Which one do you like? Warm water or cold water? What do you like? I like
to swim.
Yes, you like to swim. Very good, honey. Okay, that is it, my dear. Now, let us have Emma. Okay, so now, honey, what's Emma's teacher's name? What's
It's
Emma's
Nick.
teacher's name?
Emma.
Okay, very good. Okay, Emma's teacher is?
Emma teacher is Nick.
Very good. Next, what does, okay, hold on, wait for a while, honey. What day does she have lessons?
Cô ấy có tiết học vào ngày nào?
He has in Tuesday.
She has lessons. Yes.
She has lessons in Tuesday.
Honey, on Tuesday. On Tuesday.
On Tuesday.
Very good. Okay, next one, honey. Question number 3. What time do the lessons start? What time do the lessons start?
It's in station.
Huh?
It's
Okay, number 2.
4 o'clock.
What time? Yes, very good. The lesson starts. You say it in complete sentence. The lesson starts at?
The lesson starts at
4
o'clock.
Very good, Hong. Great job, Hong. Okay, next one. Are the lessons interesting or boring? Are the lessons
It's
interesting or boring? Interesting? Yes. How do you say it? You say it. The lessons are?
Intention.
Interesting. Funny. Interesting. One more time. Interesting.
Intention.
Yes.
Intention.
Honey. One more time.
Intention.
Follow teacher.
Intention.
Honey, follow teacher. Follow teacher. Resting.
Resting.
Very good.
Interesting.
Yes, interesting. Okay, one more time. Let's have the last one, honey. Okay, is the water cold? Is the water cold?
No.
No, the water is not.
No, the water is not cold.
Very good. No, the water is not cold. Okay, let's have number 1, honey. What's Emma's teacher's name? What's Emma's teacher's name?
It's
Emma's
Nick.
Honey, look. Here, you read answer. Emma's teacher is?
Emma teacher is Nick.
Very good. What day does she have lessons?
She has lesson in
Tuesday. Anyway, honey, the time is already over and teacher Shane has to go now. Bye, honey. You did so well. Bye.
Bye, teacher.